We got this amazing 6-piece large folding fan. This is just one of them, but it's a 6-piece set. And I'll show you right now. Opens up like so. As you can see, great design, nice glitter vibe right here. Works as a prop for different scenarios, but also just works as, I'm a fan of myself, feels good. Gets the job done here, but looks great as a prop. The dimensions, so it's 12.2 inches long this way. And then when you open it up, from the bottom here to the top up here is 12.2 inches again, which makes sense. That makes sense. And then the length from here to here is 23.6 inches. So great. You got that at the end right there. That folds out from there. This is the way it looks in the back. Like so. This is the front. Gets across the great vibe. 6-piece set. You need these. Highly recommend.